Samsung Neo QLED QN70H Review. Best mid-range Neo QLED TV for home theater. Looking for a bright 4K TV with mini LED technology, strong gaming features, and premium picture quality without going for Samsung's most expensive models? The QN70H is worth a closer look. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Samsung QN70H is a Neo QLED TV with 4K resolution, quantum mini LED technology, and Samsung's NQ4 AI processor. The mini LED backlight helps improve brightness and contrast, while the processor handles picture optimization and upscaling. For gaming, the QN70H supports up to a 120 Hz refresh rate on supported configurations, along with features like OLM, game mode, and FreeSync support. This makes it a good choice for PlayStation, Xbox, and compatible gaming PCs. You also get Samsung's Tizen Smart TV platform, giving you access to popular streaming apps and smart features. Connectivity includes HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and eARC. Although exact specifications can vary by screen size and region, the biggest strengths are its bright picture, strong colors, mini LED technology, and gaming capabilities. It's particularly useful for living rooms or other spaces with plenty of ambient light. However, there are some compromises. Mini LED can still produce blooming in certain dark scenes, and the built-in speakers are suitable for everyday viewing but may not provide the cinematic sound you want for a full home theater. So is it worth buying? If you want a versatile 4K TV with mini LED technology, good gaming features, and Samsung's smart platform, the QN70H is a solid option. But if perfect blacks and maximum cinematic contrast are your top priorities, an OLED TV may be a better choice. Overall, the QN70H offers a strong balance of picture quality, brightness, gaming, and smart features. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. If this review helped, like the video. Subscribe to the channel and let me know which TV you want reviewed next.